Hello guys, welcome back to the CTXCLOUD. This is the video number 6 in our hyperv training. So in our last video we have installed the centos 7 and now we are going to install the cyberpanel in our centos OS so that we can create this as an external DNS server which will help us to redirect our traffic to the Netscaler. So we are doing the Netscaler lab side by side. You guys can see that the Netscaler videos on the playlist of Netscaler. So how we guys can do that? First go to your client OS. So this is the Windows 10 which earlier I have installed. Here I am going to open the putty and I am going to access that my CentOS OS server which is 100.10. Click on enter. Here you guys need to give the root ID and password. So let me enter the password. Let me expand this. Now I have created the document how you guys can install the cyberpanel on your CentOS OS. So I will give this article in my website, even in the video description, so you guys can just copy and paste all these things from the description. So just copy and just paste it and press enter. So what YM update will do, so it will update the CentOS OS to the latest security patches. So first of all I am going to install all the latest security patches on this CentOS OS. So to update this whole process will take like 6 to 7 minutes. That's why I'm going to pause this video and we will back after installation. So guys, you can still see that the update is still in progress. So still I'm going to pause this video for next 3 or 4 minutes. Now my update has been completed and you guys can see that there is no package marked package is available for the update. So now it's time to install the cyberpanel. So first of all I'm going to my document and copy this. I'm going to copy this command. So from here just copy and paste it here and press enter, and you guys can see that it start fetching the package from the cyberpanel website. So like it will take 1 or 2 minutes to fetch the data. So I'm not going to pause this video so that you guys can see that all the steps side by side. So just stay connected with the CTXCLOUD. Now it is asking, there it is giving two options. First, install cyberpanel, second is exit. So I am going to install the cyberpanels. That's why I'm going to press 1 and press enter. Now what is the next option? He is giving that install cyberpanel with openlitespeed or install cyberpanel with lightspeed enterprise. So I do not have the enterprise license here, so I'm going to with the option number 1. Press enter. So now it is asking install the full service on the cyberpanel including power DNS and other stuff. So yes, I want to install all the stuff which is related to the cyberpanel. Click on yes. Do you want to set up the remote mode MySQL? This will set up, skip the installation and of the local storage. So I'm going to press no here because I do not have any remote SQL server here. So press N and press enter. Now it is asking what is the password you want to give this server to access the cyberpanel. So there is 3 options here. First is default. If you will press the D, it will go with the default password 12345677. This is the default password. Randomly quadrate 1 is recommended, so it will give a password, complex password. You need to save it. Or set S. If you will press the S, you will give this will give the option to set your password. So I am going to press S and press enter. So now you guys can see that please enter your password. So I am going to enter my password here. Press enter. Again it is asking confirm your password. So I'm going to again give the same password and press enter. So now it is asking, do you want to install the meme cache process of the PHP execution. So I'm going to press yes, because PHP is also required when we will install the website on this. Do you want to install the radius process of its PHP execution? So I'm going to press yes for the two-factor authentication. So will you like to go with the database and services which is set by this cyberpanel default? So I'm going to press yes and press enter. So now you guys can see that it start creating our cyber panel. So it will take like 3 or 4 minutes to set up whole DNS server and like our hosting. So just stay connected with the CTX cloud. I am going to pause this video because it's a very lengthy package which is going to install on the server. So let's wait. Finally, my cyberpanel server has been installed, and let me try to access this cyberpanel. To access your cyberpanel server, first of all, you guys need to enter the address of your cyberpanel server, which is 192.168.100.10. So based on your environment, you can need to enter the IP address of your hosting server, and then 898090 is the default port for the cyberpanel. Press enter. Here you guys need to give the admin ID and password which we have set during our installation. Click on sign in, and you guys can see that my cyberpanel finally has been installed. So here we guys can install the WordPress sites, we can create the users, we can host the multiple websites in free. If you have a dedicated IP, you guys can use this as an hosting. You guys can create a hosting website, and you can guys can host other users website. So, and you guys can also create a multiple email accounts for your hosting website. So these stuff we are going to play in our next video. So this is the end of this video. So thank you guys. Just stay connected with the CTX cloud, and if you guys think that videos are informative, just share your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.